Hey there. So a couple of weeks ago, I was on a call with my Calm the Clutter VIP members, and we were talking about what I call pairing. And now there's other terminology that you can use for this, but I call it pairing. And that is when you combine a decluttering, organizing, or cleaning task with a task that you do that's part of your daily routine or your weekly routine, or something that you do on a regular basis, and you pair it with a decluttering and organizing cleaning task. So for example, maybe when you're brushing your teeth, you can pair it with making sure that you clean the sink after you've brushed your teeth. Or maybe you pair it with making sure your counters in your bathroom are nice and tidy. So every time you brush your teeth, you just take a quick look at your counters in your bathroom and you make sure they're tidy. That is what I call pairing. When you've combined something with you that you do on a regular basis, like brushing your teeth, with a decluttering, organizing, or cleaning task. So what could you do? What can you do that you can pair something together? Because this does work. I mean, it definitely works for some people, because some of my members were saying that they have started this pairing and it's really working. They are now doing tasks that they never did on a regular basis. And you know what happens when you don't do these tasks? Things start to pile up. So they are now combining them and it's working. So they're now getting into the habit of including those tasks when they do their regular routines of whatever. Like I said, brushing your teeth, could be making supper. You can combine tasks pretty well on anything you do on a regular basis. So, what can you do that will help you remember to do a task by combining it with something else, which I call pairing? Something to think about, right? Something to think about. And I hope that helps.